Are you dreaming of your next holiday? Escaping the hustle and bustle of the city to the seaside? Then join me as we take a drone tour of the resort in Kuşadası, Turkey, a coastal gem on the Aegean Sea, with all the golden sand and sun that your holiday deserves. Quick thank you for liking my drone videos and subscribing to my channel for more amazing content. Much appreciated. Let's kick off from the Le Bleu Hotel and Resort, a seasonal upscale hotel overlooking the Aegean Sea. Le Bleu offers a private beach, infinity pools and panoramic sea views, ingredients to cook up a perfect blend of relaxation and entertainment for the pickiest traveler. Next door is the Grand Blue Sky International, a bright complex perched on a cliffside with sweeping views of the Aegean. Known for its curved facade and serene atmosphere, it is set in large landscape gardens fronting the Mediterranean and is favored by couples and families alike. Further along the coast, you can catch the Infinity by Yelken Aqua Park and Resorts, a vibrant complex packed with water slides, pools, and family-friendly entertainment. Infinity by Yelken offers an unforgettable holiday experience for families looking for adventure. Next, we fly around Ladies Beach, once upon a time open to only women, but not anymore. Our drone sweeps the area and you will find the serene Ladies Beach Suite Hotel. Located opposite the Ladies Beach along the Aegean Sea, the hotel offers travelers an unforgettable holiday experience, including health and wellness treatments. From expansive resorts to cozy apartments, for a range of budgets, Kushadasi offers something for every traveler. Whether your thing is adventure or relaxation, this Aegean paradise is ready to welcome you. So that's it for the drone video of resorts in Kushadasi. Which resort did I miss out in this video? Do let me know in the comment section. After this amazing drone video of Kushadasi, please subscribe if you want to see more drone videos of exciting holiday locations. Indeed, you should check out this drone video of Costa Ade, a popular tourist destination in Tenerife. Click here to watch it now.